Correct your thoughts, change your life. I'm Brian Withers, empowerment coach, trainer, and author. Well, what does correcting your thoughts have to do with changing your life, and what does it even mean to correct your thoughts? Aren't thoughts just thoughts? What's a wrong thought from a right thought? Well, let's look into this because this is very important if you want your life to change, because we know that thoughts are your energy, and that's what's being picked up by the law of attraction. It's also influencing your subconscious mind, what you think in your conscious mind. If it's the same old pattern, it'll be the same old belief, but if you want to change beliefs, you got to change the way you think. So that's where we get into correcting thoughts. See, the thing is, we didn't learn how to think. Now, that may sound like an odd statement to you, but we came here to choose good-feeling thoughts all the time. That's our natural place. That's our natural high vibration state. But you just have a look at your day as you go through it, yourself, the people around you, and just look at the kind of low vibration thoughts that people are choosing. And many people have no idea that they're choosing them. And those thoughts got to be corrected, because if they're not, then your life just can't change, because the energy is not changing. And if you don't change the energy, then the manifestations can't change. So you got to correct thoughts. I mean, the concept is pretty straightforward. I mean, think about it. If somebody says 2 + 2 = 5, somebody's going to say, you got to correct that, right? If you're learning music and you're playing an instrument and you're playing a song and you've got some notes in there that don't fit the song, somebody's going to say, you got to correct that music. You got to correct the way you're playing that music. If you drive a car and you go to a parking lot and you park sideways in the parking lot, somebody's going to say, you got to correct the way you're driving that car. And if you're brushing your teeth, but the job that you're doing is you brush your teeth and it's not really getting at all of the teeth, somebody's going to say, you got to correct the way you're brushing your teeth. And in all of these cases, you got to correct it. You want to correct it, because if you don't, there are consequences, right? And when we do things that are not being done in the way that they're intended to be done, then there's going to be some consequences, and those consequences can be quite severe, as in the case of thoughts that are needing to be corrected because they're out of alignment. So let's take a look at first the your life part of this title of this video here. So your life is total reality, right? You got a total reality, which includes the physical reality, which is stuff that's manifested from your energy. It all is. Everything about your life is completely coming out of your energy. And then you have vibrational reality, which are all the things that life caused you to ask for. So anything about your life that you don't like, your inner being gives you the version of it that you do like at the very same time. And that's all ready for you to receive the path to it. Right? So you're living physically with your 5 senses in the physical world, and you're knowing vibrational reality through your imagination and your emotions. Your emotions also play in the physical world. So we know that is the total reality, right? So it's like this, there's the total iceberg, and we see a small percent of it on the top, but the total thing we know is much, much, much larger than what we see. Even us as a human being, we have our physical body, and then there is our non-physical self, right? And that's the total of us. You see, this idea of the total is much different than the way we look at life, because life is certainly far, far more than just this physical planet and what's going on. So we got to account for all the pieces, and the creative process gives us all of the pieces. So we know that we come here for joyous expansion, and so we are in our physical life, and we're going through our days, and we're having the experiences that we have, and the ones that are not the way we want them to be, there's celebration in that, because that means we've asked. Just in the experience itself is just the asking. Inner being sets that up, and now it's all ready for us to be receiving the path to it. And if we would be in high vibration thought energy, you can see all this stuff is high vibration. That's all queued up to manifest, right? It's on the way to you, looking for you. And if you're in this place with your daily energy, right, high vibration thought energy, then it's going to naturally flow. And that's the way life naturally is for us. That's the way it's all been set up by the universe. So if you're flowing this kind of energy, the low vibration variety, then it's not going to flow the way that you want it to flow. I mean, it's going to flow, but it's going to flow in low vibration ways. And you're not going to like that at all. And so if you look at your life and there's anything going on in there that is not flowing the way that you want, you know you're doing this, right? Got the low vibration thought energy going. And you can for sure know because negative emotion, always your indicator, tells you if you're high or low vibration. So let's just take some examples of thoughts that you absolutely want to be correcting. Okay, so if you think a thought like, that's expensive, can't afford that, that thought's got to be corrected. That's way out of alignment. If you think a thought like, what will they think about me? You got to correct that thought. If you think a thought like, what if I fail? Or what if I make the wrong choice? Those thoughts got to be corrected. What if you think a thought like, life is hard or this is going to be hard? You got to correct those thoughts. Those thoughts are not serving you at all. None of these thoughts that I'm saying here, these are not serving you at all. These are low vibration thoughts. What if you think a thought like, I'm stuck in this job, in this apartment, this town, this life, this relationship, whatever it is? You got to correct those thoughts. What if you think a thought like, I'm afraid of my health condition? You got to correct that thought. What if you think a thought like, I can't trust anyone to do a good job? You got to correct that thought. See, these thoughts all got to be corrected. They are way out of alignment. They are low vibration thoughts, and if you think them, then you are going to be asking the law of attraction to give you more of those things that you don't want, right? We know these thoughts have to be corrected because the negative emotion about them tells us that they're nonsense. They really are. That means these thoughts are coming from a faulty belief. When you get a negative emotion, that's a thought that's coming from a faulty belief, which means it's not in agreement with the way that life really works. And again, if you keep thinking them, then that's what your life is going to be about because you keep offering that energy. Right, so it's time for us to do some thought correcting. And soon as you feel a negative emotion, you got to go into thought correcting mode because that thought is out of alignment as much as 2 + 2 = 5. It's got to be corrected. That's not the way math works. That's not the way that those numbers flow. And when you try to flow them like that, whatever you're working on, it's not going to come out good because the math is off, and that means results are going to be off, all right? So when you think thoughts that are out of alignment, you're going to have results that are out of alignment. It's just all going to flow and follow in that way. And you can't receive the things that life has caused you to ask for. So we know there's got to be thought correcting going on. So you want to check with yourself all day long, and you want to be aware, if you've got a negative emotion going, you're going to say, oh, I got to correct that thought. Now you got to know how to correct it, right? So the first thing is to be aware that you got a thought that must be corrected if you want to live your high vibration life. That is, now if you want your life to go along like a rodeo ride, you go ahead, you can think any thought you want, and a lot of those faulty beliefs will have you in low vibration thoughts all over the place. And if you want to have that kind of life, then, that's certainly a choice. But you might find those rodeo rides and those train wrecks get a little rough on you after a while, right? And it's all coming out of this thought energy as you go through your day in all the matters of your day. So first thing is you want to be acutely aware that, hey, I got to correct that thought. That thought's not in alignment. Right? It's not in agreement with the creative process. That's got to be corrected. That's got to be brought back into alignment. And then you got to know how to do that. And that is what the deconstruction and reconstruction process is all about, is to allow you to correct a thought so that you come out the other side after you go through that process of showing why a thought that you are thinking, a negative feeling thought, is nonsense. It really gets down to that easiness. This thought is nonsense. If you got a negative emotion present, the thought that you're thinking is absolutely nonsense. And it doesn't agree with the way life is at all. And so as you demonstrate that to yourself or explain that to yourself, it's nonsense because of this, right? You give the reason. You want to talk about the reason. That's really important in the deconstruction. That's part of what will rewire your subconscious beliefs. So as you explain that to yourself, and then you explain to yourself, well, what is true about that situation, right? Take a thought like, what if I fail? Well, see, you can't fail. That thought's ridiculous because you have experiences. You came here to have experiences that create the contrast. Now, some of your experiences are the way that you like them and you enjoy them, and that's lovely. That's part of what life is about too. But many of the experiences are going to be contrasting experiences. You didn't fail when you are going towards something, working on something, whatever it is. You're just getting awareness, right? You're getting clarity. That's not failing, right? That's getting information so that you're going to do it differently. You're going to go back at it and you're going to do it different. You didn't fail. You got to just change the way that you're doing it, because now you have more information, more awareness, more clarity. And so what you really want is result Y. Okay, so you go through a complete deconstruction of a thought like that. You reconstruct it, as I talked about there, and then you finish up with, well, I can't fail at this. I'm working on whatever it is. It could be anything, and I'm just getting awareness and data that's showing me new ways to approach this situation. So, I get a different result. There's just no failing. That just is not in the cards in this universe at all. Everything is forward moving. And you could go down every one of these statements that I talked about, and you could correct them by deconstructing them, and then you come up with a thought that is in alignment, and it is supporting the dreams and desires that you have for them to flow into your life. You see this high vibration key here, this image. It matches this, and if you're not matching this stuff isn't flowing to you. If you got this going on, what's flowing to you is the rodeo ride train wreck version of life. Okay, so you want to correct your thoughts. This is a very easy way. I mean, I'm saying the same thing. I'm just saying it a little differently here now. I'm just saying correct your thoughts. And it makes it easy, because when you find yourself in that negative feeling space, you've got to say, I got to correct this thought. Really, if I don't correct it, bring it back into alignment, reframe it, new perspective that feels good, then I'm just asking for the same thing to come over and over and over and over. I got to get something new going here. I got to get some new thoughts going here that are in alignment with what I want and who I am and why I came here. That's correcting your thoughts, because if your thoughts don't agree with those things, they are incorrect, right? And that's not going to serve you at all. So that's why correcting your thoughts is going to change your life, because you're going to correct your thoughts in a way that move them from a low vibration to a high vibration. And when you do that in the present moment, then what you do is you rewire your subconscious beliefs and displace those faulty beliefs, and they become natural in alignment beliefs, and then your thoughts, tendencies will be of the positive feeling kind in all situations. Okay, so that's the video for today, just to give you some insight, just to another way to look at it, maybe make it easier, a different way to think about it, so as you're going through your day, that you're really aware of your energy, of your thought choices, and that they are correct in terms of the creative process. And if you will do that one thing every day of your life, notice when a thought is incorrect, because it's out of agreement with the creative process relative to that situation that you're in, and you will correct it, then your vibration is going to be always high, and you're going to receive a steady flow of the life that you want, because your contrast turns into the expansion, and your high vibration allows that to manifest in your life. It's a really, really easy formula to live a really, really good life that we came for. And we did come here to choose good feeling thoughts at all times, and that is our natural way. And if we're not doing it, then we're not living our natural way. And it just goes to show how faulty those faulty beliefs are. Even if you think it's hard to think a good feeling thought all the time, all day long, on all topics, you see, that just goes to show how deep the faulty beliefs go, because that is our natural way to be, is choosing good feeling thoughts all of the time. That's our high vibration nature. Okay, that's the video for today. Thanks for listening in. If you have any questions, leave them on the post, and enjoy your day.